Good morning, guys. I'm on my way over to John's right now. We've got a truck coming to unload beans first thing this morning. That's right. We have switched back to beans, and now we're working on hopefully our second to last day of beans. Sorry if I look a little off today. I've been having really bad allergies right now and some issues with allergy medicine. Getting it figured out, just might be twitching my nose and looking a little bit funny sometimes. But anyways, we're gonna get over to John's and get started with our day and hopefully get set up before semi shows up. Okay, so as many of you know, we do not have an auger cart because most of our grain is loaded straight into the bin. But how we load trucks on this farm is through our 10-inch auger, running as fast as we can. We can load a truck in about 10-15 minutes, so it doesn't take them that long. So right now we've got all our grain in the shed. We do not leave our wagons out full of grain overnight for a couple reasons. One, in case if anyone decides that they're gonna go by and open up all the wagons, that makes a horrible mess that takes forever to clean up. So we put them inside so they don't get opened up. And then also in case a freak rain comes through, we don't get rain on them. But right now, I hate these doors. Anyways, right now I'm gonna drag all three of these wagons out to the field, and then we're gonna take the auger out there and get it set up so when the truck shows up, we can have him loaded just like that. I'm taking the wagons out to a field by where I'm combining, so we just have to move the wagons a short distance and not bring them back up to the shed. Dad's taking the wagons to place them along the road again. I'm coming out here to check the beans, see how long till they go. So when we're checking beans out here, first thing we do is check to see, does the stem break like that? Which it is. Now we're gonna grab a pod. Does it crack? It's still fighting me a little bit on the cracking. Okay, another one. And then I stick the bean in my mouth and chew on it to see if it cracks. I'd say we got an hour left here. Well, I'm gonna go back up and grease the combine. Dad's gonna pick me up when he gets back with the tractor. I'm gonna say they'll probably be ready to go in about 45 minutes to an hour. So the combine got blown off and fueled up last night, so all I gotta do is grease it and it's ready to go for the day. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and grease the 10-hour grease zerks on the combine before we get started today. There are only a few of them on this machine. Most of them are 50 hours. Get these grease zerks down here. One, two, three. And then I gotta turn the rotor over 180 degrees. Like that. Grease that. And now I've just got a couple bearings on the combine and the sickle. Alrighty, we're gonna grease the reel and the sickle. Okay guys, so we're now headed out to the bean field. I'm hoping that the beans are ready to go. It's been about a half an hour since I checked them. Maybe 40 minutes, I'm not sure. But gonna head out there. The joys of having a railroad on your farm. Waiting. Waiting. And waiting. Oh, hey, look. Arms are gonna go up. Yay! Well guys, beans are a little tougher than I thought. They were 14.5%, but most importantly, it just was not running through the combine like it should, so I'm probably gonna let them sit another 45 minutes to an hour, do a little bit more air through them, and hopefully then they'll go. Well guys, I'm back out here in the combine now, and I'm going to try beans again. I think they'll go this time. It's been blowing for about an hour and a half now. Should be able to go. Dad's loaded another truck out there. We've almost got enough grain now to load a third truck. I've been trucking through the field, got 50 acres done, so 32 more to go. Shouldn't take too terrible long. I hope to be done by 6 or 7, so I don't think we'll be able to start this field today.
My nose! I hate allergies!
Anyways, been going along good. Right now I'm going at 4.2, but means I gotta pay a little bit closer attention just because it can plug a little bit easier. I'm running right on the edge of how much power this thing's got, but it's going pretty good. Well, Dad's loading another truck. That'll be the 3rd truck out of this field, and we'll definitely be able to fill a 4th. I've almost got enough grain for the 4th already. Yeah, we're running right on the edge there. That little beep you're hearing is because we're running the rotor down too far, pushing it as far as throughput. Look at that beautiful evening sky. Okay, I just finished, or I am finishing unloading the beans right now out of the combine, and then we're going to take it up to the shed, go eat supper, and then blow off and fuel up the combine when we get back. And auger in. Woohoo! Away she goes.